how to delete your Affirm account and remove payment methods. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is verify that all active Affirm loans and investment payments are paid in full. So after doing that, now what we're going to do is simply remove all of our cards. So for that, simply you can tap on the cards option right here. Then from there, you can get to the settings icon on the top right or top left corner. Tap on that one. Then from there, you can delete all of your cards just like this. So after deleting all of your linked cards, now what we're going to do is visit the Affirm Help Center online. You can simply find that, or you can also go to the account details. If you simply tap on your account icon on the top right corner right here, you'll actually be able to get the help option. Simply tap on that one, and then you can simply get to their help center, and then what you're going to do is simply submit a request to delete all of your personal data and account. So after doing that, that is exactly how you will be able to delete your Affirm account and remove any payment method. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.